Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Quick Settings or Settings and turning Bluetooth on. This activates your phone's radio so it can scan. You should also make the target device discoverable now. Many headsets or speakers have a pairing button. Press and hold it until the LED flashes. Make sure both devices are reasonably charged and close to each other, because Bluetooth works best within a few meters. Once done, return to the phone's Bluetooth list to watch available devices, populate, and prepare to select the right entry. You now tap the device name that appears under Available Devices and initiate pairing. This sends a request to the other device so they can exchange keys securely. If a PIN or passkey appears, compare it on both devices and accept to prevent accidental connections. Many accessories use a default like 0000 or 1234. Make sure to grant necessary permissions, for example, audio or contact access, because Oppo uses those to route calls or media. You finish by selecting the connected device and choosing roles like media audio or call audio so sound goes where you expect. This prevents calls playing through phone speakers. If pairing fails, unpair or forget the device and repeat the process, because cached profiles can block new connections. Make sure to restart Bluetooth or reboot the phone if problems persist, since that clears temporary radio or software glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode briefly to reset wireless stacks before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.